Mechana la pupuisio. Daddy mechana la pupuisio. The cat doesn't go into the fish or meat trade. The cat doesn't go into the fish or meat trade. The inherent wisdom of this proverb is quite apparent. It underscores the paramount importance of self assessment to discern our strengths and weaknesses. This self awareness should guide our choice of pursuits. Furthermore, it is crucial for individuals to carefully consider the character of those entrusted with specific roles. As an illustrative point, appointing a thief as a treasurer is a decision fraught with peril, highlighting the significance of placing individuals of integrity in positions of responsibility. Take time to reflect on how they resonate with your own experiences. The wisdom of the Igbo people has a universal